Misses, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner, a channel dedicated to inspiring the party planner in you and those who wish to make it their career. As you guys know, I do a lot of shopping on Amazon, and I'm so excited for this purchase that I just made. It just arrived in the mail, and I'm going to unbox it for you. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new set of children's chairs. They're super cute. I haven't even really seen them before anywhere, this particular kind. So let's go ahead and check it out right now. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. Yeah. So they're packaged really nicely. They have the little plastic on them to keep them from getting like scratches and everything. And this is 10 chairs right here, guys. And look at this box. I'm showing them the box. Look at the size of this box. So that's like nothing for storage. This is literally 10 chairs on this box. And when I saw them delivered, I was like, oh no, they left a couple, but they didn't, guys. This literally fits. That's all of them in there. 10 chairs in this box. Here it is. It comes in the plastic. And like I said, I will put a link in the description box to this particular set. They're made really sturdy. So to set it up, you're just going to pull it apart, turn it around, and then you're just going to kind of like lock it into place, and then the tabs will go over. And there you go, see? Very cute. When you want to take the chair apart, you're just going to pull the tabs off, and then you're just going to fold the chair in together like that. And there you go. And these stack pretty well too, so it's not that bad. They don't interlock like the regular plastic folding ones, but they'll stack very nicely. So it's a space saver too. So happy with these. I'm gonna put the link in the description box, and then maybe next week I will show you like the kids setup. All jazzed up with like the table, because I have another kids table coming in on Monday. So then I'll set it up with the linen and kind of show you how it looks all together for child size seating and event tables. All right, so if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment whether you guys like these or not, or which ones you prefer. I really love the Chiavari ones, and I probably will buy those in a little bit, but like you guys said, those with storage is terrible. They take up a lot of space. And if you guys haven't seen my last organization video, you know that I really just don't have a lot of space to be storing Chiavari chairs up in here. If you guys missed that video, make sure to check it out in the iCard and the description box below. Like I said, comment, tell me what you thought about the chairs. See you in another video. Mwah!